James Potter, a young and curious wizard, lived in a cozy cottage deep within the Enchanted Forest. One sunny morning, he found a mysterious letter, inviting him to a secret wizard's meeting. Excited, James packed his bag with a map, a magical lantern, and his favorite snacks. He set off on his broomstick, soaring through the treetops, leaving a trail of sparkling stardust behind him. As he arrived at the meeting, he was greeted by a group of friendly wizards, each one more magical than the last. They shared stories, spells, and laughter, making James feel right at home. One wizard, named Oliver, told a fascinating tale of a hidden treasure buried in the heart of the forest. James's eyes sparkled with curiosity, and he decided to embark on this new adventure with his new friends. With Oliver leading the way, they ventured deeper into the forest. They encountered magical creatures, solved riddles, and even outsmarted a mischievous goblin. Finally, they arrived at the treasure's location, a beautiful, glowing crystal. James reached out to touch it, and the crystal pulsed with a warm light. It was a crystal of friendship, binding James and his new friends together forever. With their new treasure, they soared back to their homes, their hearts full of joy and new memories. James returned to his cozy cottage, knowing that he had made some truly magical friends. From that day on, James Potter never felt alone in the Enchanted Forest. He had a group of friends who shared his love for magic and adventure, and he knew that no matter where his broomstick took him, he would always find a warm welcome among his newfound friends. The end.